Hi guys! I am super excited to post this video as it is part of my vacation series of me traveling to Hawaii. I recorded this video at 4 o'clock in the morning after I have finished braiding my hair. I purchased this wig from Elva hairs. It is the Yonce wig 130 density. It was supposed to be a 13 by 6 lace front, which I did not receive that, which really pissed me off because, I'm a very frequent wig wearer, so I know all of my wig knowledge, and the company sent me a 4x4 closure, which pissed me off. They were trying to convince me that this closure is what a lace frontal wig looks like, and I 100% know that is not true. It kind of resembled my T-part wig that I bought from Amazon, so I wasn't really too enthused with that, but overall the wig looked cute. It came pretty much pre-plucked, but I did go in a little bit with my paper towel underneath my lace, and this is a new trick that I've been trying to pluck my lace, because I heard that Arrogant Tay uses a white towel to correctly see the knots of the wig. I did go in and bleach some of the knots. I'm not sure if this clip is before or after that, but I did go in and bleach them again just a little. I was completely rushing doing my hair here. As you can see, I burnt myself with the pressing comb. I had a flight in a literal 2 or 3 hours, my flight to Hawaii, in which I will link in this video as well. I literally was losing my mind trying to get my hair ready for this flight, but I was more so pissed off at this company that my hair was not up to par, because I did not pay for a closure. I paid for a 13 by 6 frontal, which I did not get. I am taking a eyebrow pencil or whatever, lip liner, and marking underneath my lace and forehead to see where I want to cut my lace. So that's why I'm cutting strips right here. But I have started marking where I want the glue to go, because I'm tired of having to wipe off glue after I have finished, after deciding where I want to put on glue. Like, I don't like having extra glue on my forehead, and I don't like the whole idea of applying glue and then laying my whole frontal down at once. It really doesn't seem realistic to me, and it doesn't leave it all glued down. So what I just do is I go in and mark where I want to apply the glue. I do this in a numerous amount of ways. Sometimes I use makeup, sometimes I use pencils. I really change it depending on how I feel at the moment. That's basically what I'm doing here, and most of the time, even if I follow those marks, I still won't apply the glue all the way up until that point. I'll apply it just a little behind, because I don't want to apply too much glue, and I'd rather go in and fix small areas later than to sit up there and try to clean the front of my forehead off with alcohol. Once I have applied about 2 to 3 layers of glue, I go ahead and lay down my piece, one piece at a time, and I usually apply the glue one piece at a time as well, because I don't want to get distracted trying to cover too much area at once. So I just go in and I take my comb and press the lace into the glue. This will ensure the bond and also make sure that every little piece in that area is covered. Here I am checking out to see if my glue looks like, if my lace looks like scalp, in which it did, so I went in and cut the lace. I really don't like to cut lace on camera. I feel like it's so pressuring. I am now using my wig dealer holding spray or something like that. I've had this for a very long time. I just don't use it that much. It works like got to be to me. You're supposed to apply it like on your forehead. It's supposed to be an alternative to using glue, but I just use it to secure those little tiny pieces that I don't feel like applying a whole layer of glue to. I think it works like got to be. However, it does turn white if you apply too much. And I am now using my Shiso Balm foam, in which it wouldn't come out the can for some reason, but I am using that foam just to mold down my hair. This and a wax stick. Their wax stick works really well. This is what gets your hair to bond down and give it a more real appearance than just flat ironing it on its own. It works really good in being an alternative fix for glueless wigs. As far as shipping, the wig came in 5 to 8 business days, and I did have good contact with the seller. I do appreciate them for responding within due time. However, I did not like that my wig was falsely advertised, but other than that, I do feel like they had good communication skills compared to some people who never reply. I did like my hair, but I did not like my hair at first, because what happened is I ended up gluing my wig a little lower than I usually like it, but it didn't matter anyways, because the second day into vacation I ended up having to redo my hair. Different story. But however, I did like this hair, but I will say a few days into my vacation, I did notice that it had a shedding problem, in which I will show in a few clips. I don't want to say that it was the products that I was using, because I've used these products and I am a frequent wig wearer. I know how to take care of my hair. It wasn't anything that I could have done that could have caused it. It had a real shedding problem. It overall caused the wig to go bald fast. I haven't ever had a wig that shed as much as this one, I want to say. It definitely is going to be going in the trash soon, because it doesn't have that much life lasting in it. It worked for the time period I had to wear it, and it did feel good in that moment. So I will say this is good for a quick style. I would purchase this wig again just for how cute it was. However, I do not believe that it would last on the longevity point. I would give it an overall 8 out of 10. Maybe a 7 out of 10. But I didn't get to record an ending clip, so I did include a clip for my vacation to show you how my hair turned out. Be sure to check out my Hawaii travel vlog so you can see how my hair lasted over time. I really was enjoying the hair while I had it in my head. But I hope you like this video, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe.